Hi, and welcome to this update for the Google Admin Console age-based settings. This change took place on September 1st, and it requires some admin updates in the admin panel for the Google for Education domains so that adults, teachers, administrators, and other staff that are over 18 continue to maintain their access to essential Google services. So if you have your OU set up so that your staff and your students are in different organizational units, you're in a sweet spot. What do I mean by that? Well, if you go into your directory and you go under organizational units, if you have students and teachers in different OUs, organizational units, meaning that everyone in the teacher bucket is over 18 and the students are under, the reason I say you're in a sweet spot is because it's a simple click. If you have not set up organizational units like this, or you're thinking to yourself, I can't do that, it's not possible because of the way that I have my directory set up and it syncs with Active Directory, and this isn't possible, it's not going to be this clean, don't panic. We'll get into phase 2 of that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to approach it from the perspective of you do have your OUs set up this way. So step 1, you need to go into account and then select account settings. All right, scroll all the way down and select age-based access settings. Now, we just saw in our directory, we had those different OUs set up. So you select your OUs that are over 18, select all users are 18 or older, and you'll see override here. And you just click on override. Done. Repeat that for any OU in your domain that has everyone's over 18. So that's step 1. Step 2 is to go into your additional Google services. So if you click on apps and you select additional Google services, you're going to see your organizational units again. But over at the very top, it says access to additional services without individual control for all organizational units is turned off. You want to change that. So select change. And then you're going to want to select your organizational unit and then turn it on. Turn the services on and then click save. Okay. So those are your 2 major steps. Now, finally, if you don't have your OU set up and it's not possible to set it up that way, you can set up groups and go back and repeat the steps for this. You're going to go, but you're going to use groups this way. So you would go to, directory and select groups and set up a group for over 18, and then add all of your teachers or staff. You can do it by adding the staff list, the mail list, maybe your Google Classroom teacher group. So you can add subgroups of all your staff directories to create this over 18 group. And then if you have a willy-nilly person, you can always add them to that group. So you can also set these up by group as well. So hopefully that explains how to get your age-based settings set up. And we hope to see you at one of our free webinars coming up this fall, or one of our Google for Education certification boot camps. Thanks for watching, and let us know if we can be of further assistance. Take care.